Welcome. This is your 5-minute hip reset, minimal and effective. Let's ground in and begin. Sumo squat reach. Open your hips and lengthen through the spine. Step wide, sit deep, then reach overhead. Think tall through your chest, grounded through your heels. Low lunge twist, release the hips, open the spine. Step forward into lunge, rotate open, reach long through your fingertips. Side to side lunge, mobility and strength together. Shift side to side, hips back, chest lifted. Feel the inner thigh lengthen, then flow across. Kneeling side body opener, length through the ribs and lats. Hips back to heels, then reach long to the side. Breathe into your side body as you open. Sumo squat, lift and lower, strength with control. Sink deep into your squat, then rise a few inches, keep your spine tall, core strong and knees open. Standing hip opener, restore mobility and balance. Lift one knee, rotate the hip out, then switch sides. Stand tall, control the motion. hip reset complete. Mobility builds strength. Subscribe for the next session.